This ice maker here has been a game changer for me, so I just want to show you how I use it real quick. So you can see I have it turned on right now. The power is on, but I do need to add water to it. And I have a couple different options here. I can use either the small or the large ice cubes, so I need to add water to it first. So let's do that. I just open it up and then I take a glass of water and I'm just going to pour it down into it like that. Hopefully it'll start registering that water soon. Let's give it a second and see if that red light disappears. All right, I'm going to try adding a second glass of water to it here and see if that works. So I'll dump that just down in there like that. Let's see if that gets that light to go away. I'm going to try turning it off and turning it back on. And now it looks like it's actually registering it. So all I had to do was turn it off and turn it on, and now it's registering that it has water and it's going through the process. You can see I can choose between a small or a large type of ice cube. I'm just gonna go small for this first round here, so you can see how quickly that gets done too, and I can show you that the ice maker works. So I just turned it on, you can see it moving water around back there. I'm gonna take the scoop out of there because it doesn't need to be in the basket with the ice, and we'll keep that closed and wait for the ice. And it's about 8:42 when I got that going. Now I'm checking again at 8:49, and I can see we got our first ice cubes down in there already. You can see the shape of them here. They come out shaped like little bullets. Really cute, really crunchy, easy to eat if you want to, but also nice and cold. And if they melt at all, they'll just melt right back down into the canister down there and then get reformed into new ice cubes. And that cycle will just keep happening as long as you have the machine on, so you'll always have ice. Now, I do recommend, because it took about 6 minutes to get this first batch of ice right here, if you're having a party or something, make sure you get this thing started at least a half hour before the party starts so you can have a nice full basket of ice ready to go. Okay, and I'm gonna switch this over to the large ones and then show you the difference between the small and the large cubes. All right, the machine just dropped my larger ice cubes, so now you can see the difference in them. Here's the larger one right here. You can see it's quite a bit thicker. And let me see if I can find one of the small ones down in there too. I can, and you can see the difference in the smaller one versus the larger ice cubes there.